There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. There's a lot more mail than I was expecting. It looks like my dad got a package, my dad got another package, I got a package, I got another package. Woo, we got more stuff coming than I expected. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we've got two very important packages here. The first is my license plates, which we'll get those put on in just a moment. And the second one, the Amazon one, this is my paddle shifter extenders. Now, I'm cautiously optimistic about these. I kind of question the design. Well, you'll see when I get it put on. Alright, and that means we can now get rid of that. Woo! We're going to interrupt this portion of the vlog. Ooh. Curious. I wonder whose that is. I haven't seen that around here before. Alright, so we'll figure out later what's up with that maybe. In the meantime, so most of vehicles nowadays, for whatever reason, that come with paddle shifters, they come with rather small paddle shifters. You can see here, like, I mean, unless your hand's right along the sides here, which it actually fits comfortably there, you can't really use them. If I've got my hands up here, you know, at your typical like 9 and 2 or 11 and 2, you've got to like reach way down to get them. Or if I'm down here, it's not convenient. And even a lot of the exotics and stuff, at least in previous years, have been like that. I think in just stuff like your Lamborghini Huracan now and such, they've got bigger ones that are a lot easier to get to. But still in the older cars, they've got just like these small ones. I know in the new Mustangs, the newer Mustangs have small ones also. My dad's Gallardo, it's got small ones. I think the RS or the S7 we have has smaller ones than the Mercedes here even has. So we got some extenders. So one of the interesting things about these extenders is they just go on with tape, which I don't understand why manufacturers haven't found a way to like clip them into the existing ones. Just be able to, like, you know, add them on. So instead we just use, you know, some double-sided 3M tape and we just stick them on. But everybody seems to do it that way, so I guess it's not a problem. We'll know momentarily. Alright, so you can see here we've got these nice, should be decently large paddle extenders. I just went ahead and went with the silver. I know could have gone with either, well, let's get that to focus. We could have gone with either the red or blue also, but I figured that since, you know, we don't have any other red accents in the car, at least right now, or any blue ones, what have you, just go with the silver. It'll look pretty stockish, pretty OEM. You can see though that's much larger than what we have right now. So you see here inside the package, so we got two things of adhesion promoter, some 胶领带. So this is, I imagine these are probably really just some kind of like alcoholic wipe or something. Maybe they are actually adhesive of some sort. We've got our extenders. We've got two of these, which you can tell. I mean, just bring this back behind here. You can see it, oh, I guess you can't quite see that. Anyways, here's how big it is compared to, you know, what is there. So it's going to be a nice big addition. And we've got two pieces of 3M tape. Alright, so initial impressions are definitely good. They went on much easier than I actually thought they would. I wasn't sure how they'd exactly stick on with the tape and such, but they actually, it actually went on really easy. You just kind of line it around in the back there and it just lays right on. It's actually rather surprising how easily it actually just lays right onto the paddle. And you know, you didn't really have to push too hard. I went ahead and made sure that they were firmly in place. So they're on. We're gonna, of course, we're gonna take it out now. We're gonna see how it feels, get a little more feedback. We do have to pick up some stuff.
Or say a category.
I found the voice activation. That's fun. Anyhow, so we're gonna go try it out real quick, see how it feels, and then we'll be back. All right, guys. So far, it feels really good. It's nice having that extra length on it and stuff. It's a little different just with it sticking out a little further in the back now than the stock ones do. But it takes a little bit to get confident that you're not just gonna like pull it off when you pull back on it. But so far it feels really good. I'm liking it. It's definitely made it easier to use. I've just been rocking in manual, just trying to get a nice solid feel for it, and it feels pretty good so far. So let's finish up the errand or two we need to do and get back to the house. Please consider subscribing. I love being able to do this. I'd like to be able to do more of it. So please subscribe, leave a like. That way I know you're liking what we're doing and we can do more of it and we can do it more often. I'll see you guys next time. That is definitely not an alcohol wipe. And I would assume you're probably supposed to use gloves with this. And I would advise against breathing in those fumes. Woo! I'm losing nose hairs as we speak.